The 3-hour show tonight will be with you for the next 2 hours. I'm Mike Bettis.
And I'm Alex Wilson. Winter storm Quid packing heavy snow, and on the warm side, a rare February threat for gusty winds, damaging hail.
Packing, so just be prepared for that this evening. Let's track some more of the severe weather. We're joined on the phone now by storm tracker Kelly Williamson. He is in Indiana right now. You're taking a live look at his camera. Describe for us how the day has gone, Kelly, storms that you've seen so far.
Kelly, you mentioned the storm's moving about 50 to 60 miles an hour. What would be an ideal speed that would make it easier for you to... All right, Mike Seidel, thanks so much. I want to say hi to our friends in Boston, where you may have wanted to be today, Mike. They actually were downright balmy, broke the record for the warmest February day, period. 73 degrees, and this is rare for Boston.
This is something, right? This is actually the second warmest winter day on record, second only to a 76 you had once in December. All right, so let's talk about where you go from here, because you have another day tomorrow. You'll be 60 plus, and it'll be 3 straight days you've done that. Look at the numbers today. Amazing.
This is
almost
incredible.
80 in Cincinnati, the warmest, February temperature you've ever had. Detroit 70, 76 in Pittsburgh, and you just mentioned they've got a hockey game, outdoor hockey game tomorrow in Pittsburgh.
Yeah, they're going to play hockey outside. They've been trying desperately to keep this rink frozen all week.
My goodness.
Luckily, tomorrow temperatures get back closer to average,
Right.
but it's been a tough haul for those NHL crews.
Right. What do you do, though, when you have temperatures that go way up and you've got snow on the ground?
I would imagine you have less snow at the end.
You melt it, right?
Oh, yeah.
The case in point here, Hartford, Connecticut. A week ago, you had 9 inches of snow on the ground. The temperature started zooming up, and your snow started zooming down. In fact, yesterday you hit 66 degrees, and it, in essence, erased all the snow you had. So in 7 days, you got rid of all 9 inches.
Yep, and flood watches are posted for northern tier New York, all of Vermont, much of New Hampshire, and parts of Maine because of that threat for the ice jams and the flooding because of all that snow melt.
Saturated ground
Yep.
now, but you're also thawing out some of the ice, and it causes some issues in the rivers. We'll talk about that here in just a second, but how about the numbers for tomorrow? Truly amazing. Wow. Syracuse, Boston, we're back into the 60s again.
Syracuse is at 64, New York nearly 60, low 60s in Boston, near 80 in Norfolk, Virginia.
All right, let's take a look at Boston, okay? Number 63 tomorrow, and we start to cool it a little bit after that, but the temperatures are still